Looking at JCPenney's here on the daily time frame, you can see that it just formed a new low, breaking the previous low down here right around the 529 level. And really what I want to point out here is, in the grand scheme of things, this level has been hit a whole bunch of times, right? This is a chocolate zone, so we can see it's being hit over here, and there's a few more times that it's hit before this point. So this makes this level weak, and I'm not surprised to see price breaking down, and I'm thinking that that is going to continue on happening here. Potentially we are going to come back into this area once again, possibly break even lower, below the 490 level. But this is the lowest point that it's been in the past 5 years. So just looking for maybe a little bit of reformation of this level to happen here. So wouldn't be surprised if it takes a little bit to push through this coming week, but that's what I'd be looking for here on JCPenney. All right, looking here on the 60-minute time frame, because the last time price was really in this level was over 5 years, roughly 5 years ago. We really only have one level here, and you can see that it's sliced through this chocolate zone on this after multiple bounces off of this level. Again, I'm thinking coming back down, possibly a reformation back in the 532 up to 540 as support becomes resistance, and then continuation to the downside for JCPenney. Moving over to Walmart here, we can see on the daily time frame, price has found a little bit of a consolidation area, but we are up and trending according to the Elite software. I'm going to be drawing it up into this zone up here from 77.33 up to 79.94. So looking at just the structure here, I would not be surprised if we can get up there here in the next few days. In this coming week is really what I'm looking for. So as price touches this fresh supply, what's going to happen, I don't know, but I wouldn't be surprised for a little bit of turbulence to come in here as price hits the whole number amounts of 78 and potentially 80 right up there. So I think those two big numbers are going to be kind of big numbers in the grand scheme of things here. So basically in the middle of the zone as well as the very top of that zone, I wouldn't be surprised if price reacts pretty strongly in those. Now that's probably going to take longer than a week. It does look like Walmart is on the rise. All right, so looking at the smaller time frame, the 60-minute time frame, you can see that we're kind of bouncing back and forth in between these two levels in somewhat of a small range period right here. Now, it is possible that price will find support right here and continue to pop to the upside. However, I kind of like this idea a little bit. If we break this blue zone here, because it's already done its job, and come down here to this nice fresh aqua level at 75.88 down to 75.57, and then we continue to move to the upside out of that, I think that might shake out a couple of the people that are looking to jump in very hard and heavy, and yet it'll give us a nice little pullback to the previous area before we retest the high of 2 years ago, right around in that 78 area. Okay, so that's what I'm really waiting for, is just to see the natural flip-flop of these previous highs becoming support, and then this thing pushing up into those 2-year highs.